Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new and I make style and hair related videos every single week. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be going down to the hairdresser with you again. So the last time I did a video like this I had a very shaky hand. My video was like this, but today we have a gimbal. Look at that. Ooh, smoothness. Yes, yes. I invested in one because I just didn't want to do a shaky vlog again. Anyway, back to the story. I will be getting a haircut again, taking you down to Phoenix and Fire. So Josh is my hairdresser, and today I'm going to be asking for a trim on all of the hair that I've actually been growing out. So for like the 16 months that I've been growing it, I've never cut the side pieces. So it's actually time to do that because in a few of my check-ins I've been saying that the ends have been getting really frazzly. And not only that, I kind of want to even it out. I want to get the haircut all nice and even so it looks like I haven't been growing it out for X amount of time. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I thought it would just be cool, like you guys liked it before when I took you down to the salon. I show you how I asked Josh for what I want and then we just go from there. He'll straighten it out. My keratin treatment is wearing off as well, which I'm devo about, but I'll probably be getting another one soon, just not today. We're just getting a trim today. So, and I think I'm going to ask for about an inch off because I don't know, it's just the ends are like, seriously, so frazzly. It's like that much of them. I think it really needs an inch taken off. And seeing as I've never cut it in the whole like year and a bit that I've been growing it, like it's just crazy. So anyway, let's get down to Phoenix and Fire and get our haircut. I'll see you there. Bye. Alright, we're down at the hairdressers now, so hello Josh, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Today I am going to get a trim on all this side hair that I haven't touched for the whole like 16 months that I've been growing it, and I'd like to kind of just get it evened up. I'm not really sure on the current length of like this hair, but I know that this is sitting at about like 15 inches. So I just kind of want to get an inch taken off everything because I've noticed the ends are really ratty. And yeah, just kind of evened up. How do you even something like that? Because
you think you want to just have it all?
Well, last time I spoke to you about that, it was kind of like having it all even makes it really Dora the Explorer-like, bulky. So you kind of have to layer it anyway, don't you?
Yeah. Triangle hair.
Yeah, I don't want triangle hair. And the ends are just terrible. I think they do definitely need an inch off.
That is so long.
I know. And my fuzzies are getting so bad on top. It's pretty much like all of that hair there.
Yeah.
This is what all needs a trim.
Yeah.
What do you have to do to like get it even? Like what is that?
Well, I mean, because if you want to go to make it, when you say even, like if you're going to have layering in it, it's not going to be like it would be variation in lengths.
Right.
Different hair.
So, but that's always going to be longer anyway, isn't it? So it matches up. Because if that's shorter, then
well, the layer will be always shorter on top.
Oh, okay.
And then everything gradually. So the longest part will be at the bottom.
Yeah.
And then everything's gradually a little bit shorter through here.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. But
so maybe if we take an inch off all the hair that's grown, like at the bottom, and then from there layer everything else to go up.
Yeah.
Does that sound right?
Yeah. So what we'll do is pick this hair up, but like this will be lifted up, then everything comes up to that.
Yeah.
So what happens is that falls down into.
I like it. Let's do it. Alrighty, we're back home and here is the final result. If we have a look at my ends, they are looking very, very nice compared to what they were before. Now, you'll notice as well, I had quite a bit of length taken off, so I asked for a little bit over an inch actually, because when I was looking at the hairs in the mirror, I kind of went, oh, we need to get more off that, because I was getting really frustrated with how frazzly the ends were. So I'm actually quite happy with it, and I don't really mind losing that extra length, because if we look at it, like, my hair's fully grown out now, so removing an inch and a bit from my hair, it's not actually going to take that long to grow that back, because I can grow that, you know, in a month. So I just went for it, and I'm really happy that the ends are all nice. And not only that, having my hair straightened out is always lovely, and as you can see, it's still got quite a bit of shine in it from the keratin treatment. Here I was thinking that all of my keratin treatment had worn off, but it looks like it's still there. The condition of the hair is still looking really good, so yeah, I'm totally happy with that. But yeah, that's pretty much my trip to the hairdresser. That's what I asked for. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and these smooth gimbal movements. Let me know how you're going with your hair growth journey in the comment section below. Let me know what you asked for when you go to the hairdresser, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Goodbye. Oh, I love doing this gimbal thing. It's so good. Bye.